The second video session for Excel Module 1 textbook project is to enter the numbers. Now, we've been given a chart as to what goes into each of the cells. So for January commission in cell B4, we're going to type in 1200. Now, when I looked at, 12,000. When I looked at what was in the book, these values changed according to different months. So this is a variable value. It changes sometimes month to month. The interest amount, however, if you click on that, it's $100 every month, January through December. So first and foremost, we've got to take care of getting the commission values in. So it's 12,000 for February, and I'm just tabbing to go over. It's 14,000 for March, 14,000 for April. May is 16,000. June is 18,500. July is 20,000. August is 18,500. And September is 18,500. October is 14,000. November, 14,000. And December, 16,500. Now, since 100 for interest is the same for every month, we're going to go back and highlight cell B5 as a range, grab the fill handle and just take it over to column M. Next, we take a look at the expense categories. In this case, rent is a fixed cost. It's $1,500 every month. Utilities are a fixed cost at $325 a month. Advertising is a fixed cost of $400 a month. The website only has 1 month where there is a cost, which is in July for $500. So it's pretty much a fixed cost except for when its fee is due. Excuse me, it's one of those days. Let's see, so we can key in several of these for one time. So we're going to enter in 1,500 and just hit the enter key to go to utilities. 325, enter, and advertising is 400 each month. Now what we're going to do is we're going to use our mouse pointer, the big plus sign, and we're going to click on 1,500 and drag down to the 400. That is a range of cells. We're going to grab the fill handle and take it all the way over to column M for December. And we didn't have to type those. We didn't have to worry about typos. Now, in July for the website is when we take out $500 for a fee for website. The rest of the months are 0. So I'm going to go back for January, type in 0 and grab the fill handle and take it to June. Then I'm going to type a 0 in August and grab the fill handle and take it through to December. Another quick way to get all the data entered in without having too many typos that we make ourselves. Now, for printing, it's 200 a month. So we can go ahead and just type in 200. Oops, put it in the wrong spot, didn't I? Okay, put my 0 back in there. Let's get back to printing. There we go. Printing is going to be $200 a month. So let's type in the 200, grab the fill handle, and take it all the way across. Now, office supplies varies. It's going to start with 200, tab, 0 tab, 0 tab. In April, we have another $200. And then we're going to tab and put a 0 in the next 2 months. So that in July, we also have a office supply expense of $200. And then 2 zeros for the next couple of months. And then $200 again for October, and then 0 for November and December. They had a little pattern going there, and we probably could have duplicated it. Gas is $100 across the board, and so is miscellaneous with $250. So I'm going to type in the 100 and then enter, and the $250, and then I'm going to select that as a little range, 2 cells, and take it all the way over to column M. And then they tell us to park ourselves in cell B5 or whatever. I would park myself in B6 so we can do calculations. This is going to end this section so that we have short videos to upload.